630 West Street, Boy George, 86 Lincoln, BGG, 86L, Black Dodge Challenge. 1037. Going south down, see you. Turn west on 10 City.
Turn right on 10 Cedar. Another color, I couldn't hear a question.
Coming up on Abigail. Speed 58. Light traffic.
This is right.
Going south on Adam. Coming down on 12. Going west on correction, keep on. We're still going south on Adams. 12th and Adams.
Going down 12 and Adams.
TBI. Let me see your hands! Going on foot. Let me see your fucking hands! Give me your fucking hands! Put your foot, get the fuck on the ground!
Okay, I ain't got nothing.
Dumbass motherfucker!
I ain't got nothing. You right, I'm dumb. Okay, please don't hurt me. I'm sorry for running, officer. I did. Please don't hurt me. Officer. I'm not resisting arrest.
Get up.
Please don't hurt me. I'm not resisting arrest. Okay, can you get my stuff off the ground?
You can clear the net, start at 1016 for me. Hey, what's this address? What's this address? What's the address here? Adams? I'll be at the address of 1701 Adams.
Come on, Wally.
Quit reaching in your pocket.
Sir, I'm not trying to fight with you. Sir. Please, sir, don't hurt me. I'm not trying to fight with you. I got my keys in my pocket up here. Can you put my teeth in my mouth, please?
No, stop reaching in your pocket.
I'm not reaching for nothing. I ain't got nothing, sir. I'm not reaching for nothing. You don't gotta handle me like this. Can somebody please record this?
It's all on camera right there.
Okay,
see that? Look at that right there.
Please stop trying to handle me, bro. I'm not fighting.
You got kids and a woman in the car. You
I ain't
running
got
like
no
that?
kids in the
Who
car.
in the car?
This my girl, man. Ain't got no kids in the car.
Fucked up my car. Yo, dumb ass, bro.
Bro, listen. Can I ask you something?
No, you can't ask me nothing. In the car. You okay? Need an ambulance. Come here.
I don't know what to do.
I got an ambulance coming, alright? You good?
I hit my hand, but I gotta go to work tomorrow. My car is
10 on.
I don't know what to do. I told him to stop. He would not
I'm 10-4.
stop.
Can you just start me at 10-11 and 10-16?
Bro, he would not stop. I told him to stop. I worked so hard for my car. I told him they would give me a fucking ticket.
Anything illegal in the car?
No.
said what?
You left some stuff in my pocket. I don't want you thinking about no bullshit.
What's in your pocket?
There's my keys and my phone. Yeah, some money. Other little stuff, man. I just don't want you thinking about no bullshit with you, man. I understand I done fucked up. I ain't trying to take it no harder than it gonna be. My phone in the car. I ain't got my phone. That's everything that's in my car.
Yeah, she was in the car.
Hey, ma'am. Come here.
Damn, man. Right here. Let's search the car. Anything illegal in the car? Dumbass tried to run in a V6. God damn.
When he asked you for the 1016, what you say talking about?
I just said, I don't know. I didn't really hear him. I said 1016, 1011.
52 to 70. I'm probably 70. 10-4, 2 people in the vehicle. One in custody. Minor damage to 37 units. He gonna get a spare though. He'll be able to drive to headquarters. 10-4. 10-4 TGI'd into a tree.
I didn't get her information.
What's your, that's the final 220 of it, 52.
Ask him that address.
Exact 20. It's gonna be 1501 average. 1501 average. 10-4.
I got a whole week to go to tomorrow.
Give her my money and my keys.
852. Did you already copy Boy George 861?
10-400.
Can't cook him. That's really the only damage. I mean, that'll both out.
What you can do is, you already searched and everything. You already got her information?
I didn't get her information yet.
Hey, ma'am.
Yes, ID. Let me see ID. Not really. I mean, I went through it, but I ain't just.
Where did he run to?
He ran. Yeah, I didn't really go check over there either.
Yeah, hold on. Soon as you get done, stand by. As soon as you get done scanning her ID for your incident report, just take your time, walk back the way you chased him, make sure he ain't threw nothing on the ground or nothing like that. And then once you get done with that, you should be able to be clear. Take him, go ahead and take him to UAMS to get him cleared out the south side. And then I'll stand by with the tow and I'll search the vehicle. You already stopped your video?
No.
Stop the